Hey, how's it going everyone? This is Chris from Feldmann Imports. Today we're taking a look at a 2016 Honda CR-V Touring. This one's white. Underneath the hood is a 2.4 4-cylinder, pushing out 185 horsepower. For wheels, we've got 18-inch alloys. The tires are in good condition. Front and rear LED daytime running lights. A tan leather interior, sunroof. Come around back, we've got our all-wheel drive Touring CR-V badging, power liftgate, clean set of floor mats, fold-down rear seats. Come alongside, this one does come with keyless entry, memory seats, power windows, power seats. Hopping in, we've got our steering wheel controls, a push-start ignition, touchscreen media display, rear view backup camera, dual climate controls, automatic transmission, heated seats. This CR-V has 45,201 miles. If you'd like to view more photos of this Honda CR-V, check out feldmanimports.com.